Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. Creating a Montessori-inspired bedroom at home involves cultivating an environment that fosters a child's sense of self-worth and supports their developmental needs through both external and internal methods. The core principle is to design a space that exudes admiration for the child, achieved by carefully considering the room's aesthetics and functionality. This approach emphasizes simplicity and intentionality, moving away from cluttered and overstimulating environments. A key element is the selection of soft, calming colors for the walls, which promotes a sense of tranquility and allows the child's focus to remain on their activities and learning. The use of natural materials such as wood, cotton, and wool is also crucial. These materials provide tactile experiences that are both enriching and grounding, connecting the child to the natural world. Furthermore, they are often more durable and sustainable than synthetic alternatives. The principle of minimalism is paramount in a Montessori bedroom. Furnishings and decorations should be kept to a minimum, avoiding an excess of toys and decorative items. This is because an overabundance of stimuli can lead to confusion and overwhelm, hindering the child's ability to concentrate and engage deeply with their surroundings. Instead, the focus should be on providing a few carefully chosen high-quality items that support the child's development and interests. The goal is to create a space that is both beautiful and functional, where the child feels respected, empowered, and free to explore and learn at their own pace. This approach to bedroom design is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that nurtures the child's inner development and fosters a lifelong love of learning. By prioritizing simplicity, natural materials, and a sense of calm, parents can create a bedroom that truly supports their child's growth and well-being. The Montessori method emphasizes the importance of the environment as a third teacher, and a thoughtfully designed bedroom is a powerful tool in this educational philosophy. This ends this video for today. Thank you for watching. I make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53 for ways on how to set your own homeschooling classroom. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to set up your own Montessori homeschooling environment and on instructions on how to teach Montessori materials.